And today we're gonna be just something a little bit different. We have pieces of paper here with my friend Giselle.
Hi.
Subscribe to her channel, it's Giselle G. And we have also her dad, Carlos. And today we're gonna be making paper airplanes to see which one flies the furthest. It's a competition. The winner wins everything. All right, so right now we're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, make. Where am I gonna put this? Put it like right here. You guys can't see me, but I'm doing it. This is Giselle's cam. Giselle does not know how to make one, so this is gonna be very funny. Okay, I guess Carlos just gave me the paper. Wait, I did it wrong. I did it wrong. Dang it.
¿Qué es lo que va a hacer usted?
Un gorro.
Un gorro.
They speak Spanish too, so it's kind of cool, I guess. I don't know what Carlos has done, but
Well, I can make anything? Or...
you can make any kind of airplane. Any kind of airplane. At least a plane that flies.
Okay. You want it hard? I can do it hard.
You can do any design you want.
Okay, got it.
I need a hat.
Just a minute hat.
Ta-da!
That's what you said.
Focus, Giselle. This is for a competition. Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh, these
Okay.
things are very different.
Wow, that's good.
Just Carlos is doing something very different. I never seen anyone do that kind of design before. I don't know.
He's good at origami.
I am too. That was a voice crack. What kind of airplane is that?
He's making a
It's not an
hat.
airplane, this is car.
You're supposed to make an airplane.
Okay, I can change fast. Okay.
Jeez.
I asked you. I can...
You can make any kind of plane. We're doing a
airplane.
plane.
Well,
We're doing a plane competition, boy.
Well, let me tell you this. And see, you said she'll start to make them.
Okay.
Okay, got it.
I'm just gonna cut because they're not doing anything, so let's just cut. So now we're done with all of our airplanes. This is mine.
Mine looks terrible.
Here's
I don't even
Giselle.
want to show it. I
And here's Carlos.
I know how to-
Carlos's looks interesting.
Yeah, this is Mexican flag.
Alright. Now we're gonna test them. Giselle's up first. Not yet. We're gonna see the distance. We're going with distance here, people. Alright, Giselle, you ready? 3, 2, 1, throw. She doesn't know how to fly an airplane. Go! Wah, wah, wah. Carlos, you're next.
Okay, I know.
Giselle's automatically out. It just flies, I swear. It reversed!
I told you.
Hold the camera, hold the camera.
I told you it's Mexican.
Hold the camera so I can do it.
Okay, got it.
Alright. Then that's the wrong way. You're pulling yourself.
I got second place. His was
This!
Oh, sorry. Okay. got it.
Alright, here I go. This is called the glider.
Okay.
I win. Easy.
Okay, you got it.
But, Carlos, I'm gonna give both of you a second try because you just failed.
It's a
You
double
just smashed.
Okay, let me try again.
I
No.
think I know what's wrong.
Okay. Alright, what's wrong?
You're playing your wings though. Try following both. Yeah, try to do that. Maybe that's what the problem is because it's giving too much drag. Let's look at Giselle.
Okay, no.
I just folded paper.
You threw it wrong.
I can see the wind is wrong this way.
Oh! Wow. My airplane has got to be the best. Okay, watch this. No!
Yay!
You did the wrong way. Alright, now you have to throw it as hard as possible. As hard as possible. Alright, here we go. Oh, whoa! Yo, did you see that? And I curved. Alright. Oh, shoot. Alright. Oh, I got stuck on the airport. No!
Show it on the roof.
Oh, this is good.
It's on the roof, guys.
We should name this best throw.
It's on the roof. Look at the why. I think I automatically win now. I'm gonna give you both a second try, cause Giselle, you're up next. You're throwing it wrong. Okay.
See
Okay.
if that works. The one who's going against it.
Dude. Oh my goodness. This video, man, I did the best. That was really good. It's stuck on the roof. Look at that.
The one's gonna have to blow it off.
I guess that's the end of that video. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Please
And
subscribe to my channel.
yes, subscribe to Giselle G. And thanks, Carlos, for attending. And see you guys later. Peace.